couch, dogs, me, guitar lessons. Hey there, LickNRiffers! Welcome back to yet another awesome fingerstyle arrangement lesson here on LickNRiff, and this time it's Creep by Radiohead. So first I'm going to play you the arrangement so you can see and hear how it goes, and then we're going to break it down note by note, lick by lick, chord by chord with tabs right here on the screen as usual. It goes like this. Enjoy. Alright, so you start right from the melody. Okay, so it's the open third string, and then 2 pull off to 0 on the same string, okay, on the third string, and then slide to 4 on the fourth, and the open third string twice more. So, okay, and then you play a G chord. Okay, any way you like. Okay, any way you want to play it is fine, as long as you start from the bass notes. So, okay, you can slap, you can just play arpeggios, you can play bass chord, okay, that also works if it fits your own style. Okay, however you want to play it is fine, and then you have okay, 0, 0, 2, 0 on the third string, and then you have 4 on the fourth with your fourth finger, with your little finger, okay, because then you use the second finger for 2 on the fifth string for a B bass, and then 1 on the fourth, okay, with your first finger for the completion of the B harmony. Okay, it's a B7 chord, but you don't have to play the B7. Okay, this is the line: 4 on the fourth, 2 on the fifth, 1 on the fourth. Okay, okay. After you do the 0, 0, 2, 0 on the third string, of course. I was talking solely about this lick, okay, because you need a precise fingering. So, okay, you can play the 0, 0, 2, 0 on the third string, harmonized by the open fourth, because it's still a G chord. So, and then, okay, this line, and then, okay, you can play the B7, or you can just, okay, you can just play these two notes, okay. So it's 1 and 2 on strings 4 and 5, and it works just fine. Because then you have, right? You have it's kind of the same first line there, right? But with a different timing, okay? The first one was, okay, and this is, right? And you just play the open third string once instead of twice, because then you play, okay, the C bass and 2 on the D string. okay, which is inside a C chord. So you put on a C chord or just the C chord head, okay, and you play, okay, 2 and 3 on strings 4 and 5, or the 5th string first and then the 4th, and you get this. Okay, so in context, okay, you can harmonize. Okay, and I just keep playing the bass, just the C bass. And then you have the same line, okay, into C minor. So I put 1 and 3 on strings 4 and 5 the second time around, okay, on that last line of the first line of the verse. So, okay, it's the same line, but instead of C major, which is 2 on the 4th, okay, I play C minor with 3 on the 5th and 1 on the 4th. And then I'm really, really careful not to play the 2nd string, okay, because if you play it, it becomes an augmented chord and we don't want that, okay, so I just play strings 5, 4, and 3, okay, if I want a harmony. If not, I just keep playing strings 4 and 5 because this is a minimalistic harmony, okay, so... And then you can either play the first line again, okay, or you can play a variation. Okay, just, you know, because it's fun. So what I'm playing is a quick variation on the first pull-off. So it's, okay, I play the open 3rd string and then a hammer-on pull-off, 0, 2, 0 on the 3rd, and then immediately 4 on the 4th, open 3rd again. Okay, so, okay. Okay, with my thumb on the 4th and a finger on the 3rd. Okay, and then I slide to the 4th fret on the 4th string, and then the open 3rd again. So, okay, you can also play the D string at the beginning. Okay, it doesn't really matter which one is the open string at the beginning. Okay, so this is the idea, and then G again, and then. Okay, you play a G arpeggio. So you play the G bass, the D string, 3 pull off to 2 on the 5th. Okay, so and then you play the bass again at the end to complete the harmony. Okay, so okay, and then it's the same B line. You can play the B7, and then C, and then you have this. Okay? It's 0, 0, 2, 0 on the 3rd. You're still on C major. Okay, with your little finger on 3, and then you play the bass again. Okay, 3 on the 5th. You put 1 on the 4th. You let go of the little finger and you play the open 3rd string. Okay, I harmonize with the 1 on the 4th. Okay, and I get this. Alright. And then you have that, okay, the distorted guitar there, so you can pick strings 3 and 4 twice. Okay, or you can do a quick down up strum. Okay, I like the fingerstyle version. Okay. And then you have the chorus. Okay, it's the open 3rd string twice, and then slide from 2 to 4, and then the open 2nd and 3rd strings is the 2nd string out of tune slightly. Okay, so okay, and you play them, and then you play the G bass. So okay, and then you play. Okay, you play the G bass and the G chord. Okay, again, any way you want. And then you have. Okay, it's 0, 0, 4, 4 on the 3rd string. Okay, you prepare 4 and 4 on strings 3 and 4. You play 2 on the 5th, and then you play 4 on the 4th. So it's 4, 4 on the 3rd, 2 on the 5th, and then 4 on the 4th. Okay, so, and then, okay, you're back to 1 on the 4th. So it's 2 pull off to 1 there. And then immediately you play the B bass again, 2 on the 5th, okay? Because it's still the chord, it's still the same chord. You can play B7 there again. So, okay, and then, okay, you can also slide. Okay? Again, between, you know, 2 and 1, okay, just 1 fret apart. Okay, the slide or the hammer-on kind of tend to sound the same, so it doesn't really matter what you do. Okay, you can slide, okay, or you can pull off. Just remember to play the B bass right afterwards. And then, okay, you have, okay, so it's the open second string, 1 pull off to 0 on the second string, 2 on the 3rd, and then the open second string again, twice. And then you play the C head. So you get C major 7. So it's okay, and then you can play again the 2 on the 4th or the open 3rd. What's important is okay, to play the line and then the bass immediately afterwards. And then the same ending line from the verse, exactly the same, 0 0 2 0 3 on the 3rd string, and then the C bass, open 3rd string with 1 on the 4th for C minor, and that's the chorus. Okay, so and then you have the bridge, the high singing part. 3 on the E string and then a G chord. And then you have, okay, it's still G and you have 5 3 2 on the E string and then 3 on the B string. You can do it with your thumb on the G bass. So, okay, like this. So, again, you can harmonize with the open strings, 2 and 3. And then you have, okay, 8 on the 3rd string with your 2nd finger. You bar 7 for a B chord, okay, and you play the 8 first, the bass, and then, okay, you can play the rest of the chords, strings 1, 2, and 3. Okay, just don't play strings 4 and 5 if you're just putting this on. You can put the whole chord on. So, okay, you can play the whole chord, and then you have C major, C, with 3 on the E string. And then you have, okay, it's 5 3 2 3 3 into C minor. So you can play, okay, you can play it with the C bass with a finger there, okay, or with the 2nd finger actually. Okay, 5 3 2 3, and then C minor, just a C minor chord, A minor shape, bar on 3, and then you have 5 3 on the E string, or 5 7, and then you go back to the opening G chord. All right. So that's your arrangement for Creep. So the tab is free. Go download it from the website. The link is below in the description. Check my course series, my Complete Guitar Freedom course series while you're there. And there's also a Patreon link in the description. So if you want to give anything back to LickNRiff and help maintain the free guitar lesson atmosphere here, I'd be more than grateful to whatever you choose to pledge. So thank you very much for watching, and go download the tab from the website, and I will see you the next lesson. Bye for now. Enjoy.